Good morning, departure Vision 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, everybody. I hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along on today's video. Today's video is going to be about how we keep our portable electronic devices charged and ready for use throughout the entire flight. Thank you so much for coming along on today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new content is posted. That really helps me out a lot and tells the people at YouTube that this content is important to you. The use of portable electronic devices in the cockpit is getting more and more popular, and practically everybody I know uses an iPad in flight, or at least an iPhone or some sort of portable electronic device in flight to help them with navigation and flight planning and so forth like that, and to basically be another source of information as they conduct flight operations. What's critically important, of course, is that the devices are charged and in good working order. So part of any pre-flight process ought to be an assessment of your portable electronic devices. We want to make sure that the software has been updated, that the devices are charged, or at least 75% charged, and that if you're using for flight, that you have packed for the trip. In other words, you've used the pack feature to obtain all relevant charts and information for your planned flight route. It's important that we have some utility and efficiency in the way we charge our devices as well. And so I found by using this combination of two 3-foot long cables and two USB-A adapters, I can pretty much charge my portable devices in practically any environment. To my left, I have an iPad mini 6th edition. It uses a USB-C type connection. And to my right, I have an iPhone 11, which uses a Lightning connector. Between these devices is an Anker 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. It has two USB-A type connectors. So if I happen to be flying an aircraft that doesn't have any USB-C or any remote power charging capabilities in the aircraft, I can definitely use this Anker charging bank for that. It's amazing to know that thing is 20,000 milliamp hours in such a small package. So essentially I use two 3-foot long cables manufactured by Anker and Belkin to provide me with the capabilities I need to keep these devices charged in flight. Anker and Belkin are both highly respected consumer electronic product manufacturers, and I find that their products are very reliable and of a substantial value. Please understand that this channel is not sponsored by any of the brands that I'm mentioning here today. I am simply providing you with some feedback based upon my own personal experience. I just want you to know what I use, just in case you would be interested in obtaining the same sort of capabilities. And I will provide links in the description for these items on Amazon.com if you are interested in looking into that further for your own use. Now, of course, this application is suitable to the way in which I use my portable electronic devices and the type of portable electronic devices that I use. Now, your devices might differ and require different types of connections. Just bear that in mind, and if you're going out to the market to purchase some cables, just make sure they're suitable for your application. So this video might be helpful in helping you to identify what you might need for your own application. At the opposing end of these cables, you'll find a USB-C type connection for the iPad and a Lightning connector for the iPhone. And again, at this end of the cable, we're going to have two USB-C connectors. And you might say, well, those aren't going to be very useful if you're using the Anker charging block, right? You're exactly right. And that's when we use these USB-C to USB-A adapters, such as this. And that gives us that capability. Now again, some aircrafts I fly have two USB-A type connectors that I can use, or they might have only one USB-A and one USB-C. In that case, I'll just use one of these adapters. Or in cases where there are two USB-C type connectors, then I will not use any of the adapters. Again, links to these items will be in the description for your review. Again, these are 3-foot long cables, or approximately 1 meter in length, manufactured by Anchor and Belkin respectively. I really appreciate you guys coming along on today's video. With any questions or comments or feedback, please send them my way. I'll do my best to get them answered for you. By all means, thanks for watching today's video. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next video.